Hello, Assalamu alaikum. The topic we are going to discuss today is absolutely amazing. One that has made the life of programmers super easy, and it's going to make your life easier too. That is functions. So, let me give you an example. What are functions? First of all, say you have a party and you are welcoming your friends at the gate. So each time a friend comes, you say, "Hi, Sam, how are you?" And then you say, "Welcome to my home." Again, when someone else comes, you say, "Hi, Tahir, how are you?" And you say, "Welcome to my home." Okay. So each time a guest comes, you have to repeat that statement again and again. Is there an easier way than this? Yes, they are functions. See how functions make your life easier. So, how to define a function? Yes, define. You have to say DEF. I am defining a function which is called greeting. Okay? And the hallmark of each function is these two round brackets. And then you can print. Welcome, hi, my friend. How are you? Welcome to my home. Be at ease. Okay? So now you have defined a function. Every time a friend comes, you don't have to say those things again and again. You just, like starting a tape recording, you call this function greeting. Sorry, I mistaken the spelling. Greeting. Let me, yes, greeting. Now again, greeting. As much as I want, I can call this function and it will serve me like a servant to its master again and again without any diligence. Okay? Say, "Hey, hi my friend, how are you? Welcome to my home." "Hey my friend, how are you? Welcome to my home." "Hey my friend, how are you? Welcome to my home." It is not going to become tired. It will serve you as a servant to its master. So, welcome to the world of functions, and you are the master of it. In the next video, we are going to know how we can pass arguments in these functions so we can make each function customizable to the name of your friend. Meet you in the next video.